Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. So guys, in this session I am going to cover 11 essay topics and I would recommend you to prepare all these topics before your exam. Why am I asking you? Because I have taken 11 different topics and if you're going to prepare essays on those topics, you will not face any problem related to any random, any different, any difficult topic in your exam. So just prepare these 11 topics, okay? It will help you a lot. So it's like you'll have ideas on variety of topics as in technology. So you will have ideas related to technology topic. You will have vocab related to technology topic. We have a topic related to health. So you're going to have ideas related to topic of health. So this is what you need to do here. Okay. I hope you understood it. And now we are going to discuss 11 different topics. So watch the video until the end. You'll actually learn something new through this session for sure. Thank you guys. So guys, the first topic here is related to health. So you can get any essay related to health, and if you have prepared one essay related to health, you will not face any problem when it comes to writing any essay on health topics. So this is the main motive of this video. The quality of health care a person received should not depend on the size of their bank balance. The government is responsible for providing a high level of health care for all its citizens. To what extent do you agree? So guys, to what extent? It is clearly an opinion essay. You have to give your opinion. Now try to understand one thing. The quality of healthcare a person receives should not depend on the size of their bank balance. They are talking about whatever healthcare we receive, it should not be dependent on our bank balance, on the amount of money or on the amount in our bank. That it should not be depending on that. The government should provide a high level of health care for all its citizens. So government should do this. Okay, to what extent do you agree? Next topic is sports. Successful sports professionals earn a great deal more than people in other important professions. So why only sports professionals, successful sports professionals earn more than people in other important professions? So we have a comparison here. It is about comparison. Some people think it is fully justified while others think it is unfold. As in other things it is unfair. So it is unfair. Unfair, not unfold. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now you are going to discuss both views and you will be writing your opinion as well. So it is discussion essay. You are going to discuss both views. Why do you think it is fully justified? So in the first body paragraph you are going to write why fully justified. Second body paragraph, why is it unfair, and you are going to give your opinion. So my opinion is like, whosoever is successful in his or her profession, whatever profession a person is doing, and whosoever is successful, the salary should be based on the experience, as well as it should be based on the experience, not on the type of profession they are in. So it should not be based on the, it should not based on the occupation, but on the experience of a particular person. So sports and health, we have two topics now. Third topic, animals. एनिमल से रिलेटेड कोई भी टॉपिक आ सकता है. अभी रिसेंटली भी आया था. एनिमल राइट्स हैव बिकम अ टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स एंड गवर्नमेंट. हाउ फार इज एनिमल टेस्टिंग जस्टिफाइबल? So they are saying that animal rights have become a topic of discussion these days. That animals also should have rights. They should not be overbreed. They should not be tested for various medicines. If we have to prepare, we test it on animals. It should not be done. How far is it justifiable? So clearly an opinion essay. So they are asking your opinion and the topic is related to animals. Next topic is education. Education is the single most important factor in the development of a country. Single most important factor in the development of a country. To what extent do you agree? Again, opinion. So do you think education is the single most important factor in the development of a country, or is there some other important factor in the development of a country? So up, if my opinion is totally agreeing, I would say education is the most important. But if it is not so, I have to mention some other factor as well, some other factor which I think is of more importance, or which I think is equally important. So it is an opinion essay, guys, and the topic is related to education. So we have covered health, sports. You need to prepare health, sports, animals, education. If you're writing the topic related to education, so if you have written the essay related to education, you will have various topics: process oriented education, product oriented education, curriculum. Okay, so you have all these words. Matlab education related, you have done one essay, but you have vocab related to education. If you'll receive any essay related to education, you'll not face any problem in writing, because the method of writing is same. It just the ideas will be different. Otherwise, everything, the vocab will be same for every topic related to education. Now proceeding to energy. So one day the world's oil and gas reserves will run out. The search for alternative energy resources such as wind power, solar power and burning power is causing as much damage as oil and nuclear power. So they are saying wind, solar is causing as much damage. Okay. Search for such as this is causing as much damage as oil and nuclear power sources they are intended to replace. How far do you agree with this latter statement? What possible benefits? So it is a mixed question. In the first one, we need to give our opinion. How far do we agree with the latter statement? Latter hota hai baad wali. So this statement, how far do we agree? And what possible benefits? Then we have benefits in the second body paragraph. So it is a mixed question. Okay, and the topic is related to energy. Okay, so we are going to prepare this. We'll be prepared for every topic related to energy, and it will help you for sure. Next is migration or travel. Advancement in transportation has enabled people to travel extensively. So now transportation has advanced a lot. And what has it done? It has enabled people, it has helped people to travel extensively wherever they wish to, whenever they want to. Does travel helps to promote understanding and communication between two countries? So what is it? It is actually, they are asking about your opinion. So is traveling helping you? So does travel helps? If it helps, so you have to give the reasons in body paragraph 1 followed by reasons in body paragraph 2 itself. So nowadays you are going to receive questions like such, and you will be confused whether the question is opinion, discussion. So when you get something like such, they are asking you a question that is an opinion question. Okay. Technology. Next topic is technology. Technology is now being harnessed, tied to help the elderly by providing monitor and one-day robots as compared. Whilst there are obvious benefits for elderly in these developments, some people are uneasy about the social consequences. With this, when you will have technology, you will not be meeting people. So it is going to have social consequences. What is the negative impact? How can we solve it? So problem solution essay. So it is an effect solution essay. Okay. So we are going to prepare this technology. Technology may innovative. Okay. We are going to use various words. Innovative we can use. For technology we can use, we can also use vested interest. We can use various words related to this. Okay. So effect and solution essay. So we need to prepare this. We'll be prepared for every topic related to technology because the vocab is same, and you must have gone through my technology vocabulary related video as well. You'll find all the words related to technology. So just prepare the topic, prepare the vocabulary, and you'll be ready for every topic related to technology. Proceeding to the next one, globalization. So globalization we have heard a lot, and you must have written an essay as well on this. You must have read an essay about this as well. Even though globalization has brought benefits to many countries, its negative side should not be forgotten. So again opinion. So negative side should not be forgotten. Okay? Globalization has brought many benefits, but negative sides should not be forgotten. This is a to what extent essay. You can actually mention some of the benefits in body paragraph and then negative sides in the body paragraph too. Yes, there are numerous benefits. However, the negatives cannot be overlooked. So you can mention 2 negatives and 3 benefits. It is actually like advantages outweigh disadvantages question, but the question has been said, to what extent do you agree? So it is an opinion question. Globalization. Last is advertisements. Some say that advertising, okay, encourages us to buy things we really do not need, and it is actually true. Think about it. We watch an advertisement, and let's say I watched an advertisement and I'm like, I want to buy this. I really want to buy it. Why? Because I really like this thing and this might help me. And eventually when we buy it, we realize कि यार, it is of no use. It happens ना. एंड मुझे लगता है ऐसा आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा. अगर हुआ है तो जरूर कमेंट्स में बताना मुझे. अदर से दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट्स टेल अस अबाउट न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स दैट में इम्प्रूव आवर लाइव्स. सो एडवर्टीजमेंट न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताती है दैट इम्प्रूव आवर लाइव्स. सो इट इज डिस्कस बोथ व्यूज. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस बोथ व्यूज इन दिस. कैसे डिस्कस करेंगे? फर्स्ट, why advertising, ठीक है. So how advertising encourages us to buy things we really do not need, ठीक है. So we do not need buying things we do not need. Why? ठीक है. Discuss both views. How do you think so? Why do you think so? Next, it is telling about new products. So tell us that and state your opinion. So this is discuss both views and state your opinion. So guys, we have covered, yeah, we have 2 more topics and the next is crime. Okay, we have covered 9 topics until now. Crime. Should criminals be punished with less jail terms or re-educated? So, or either of two, or re-educated or rehabilitated using community service programs before being. So, they are asking or. It is an opinion. What do you think? This or this? दोनों में से एक. or. What should be done? Criminals related vocab I have already given you in one of my YouTube sessions as well. So, felons, criminals, offense, we use words like such. Okay? Next, we have signs. As people live longer and longer, the idea of cloning is making a copy of something. Okay? So, some copy, that is clone banana. Okay? So, cloning human beings in order to provide spare parts is becoming a reality. So as people live longer and longer, so clone करना human beings को to provide spare parts is actually becoming reality. Cloning कर रहे हैं, cloning करने से क्या हो रहा है? These things are helping us in various things. ठीक है, तो हमारे लिए काफी easy हो रही है life. ठीक है, with these parts there are iRobots, there are various things related to this. So we are cloning, we are making a copy of something and which will be helping us. The idea horrifies most people actually. To me it horrifies. Yet it is no longer a mere science fiction. It is no longer a fiction now. क्योंकि actually ऐसा हो रहा है Japan में and in some other nations as well. So the question is this. The idea horrifies most people. आपने कुछ भी नहीं करना. In a question like such, you just have to discuss. Okay, discuss. As people live longer and longer, the idea of cloning. So this is the statement. The idea horrifies most people, yet it is not no longer. Horrifies most people. In first body paragraph explain karo. No longer mere science fiction. Second body paragraph में explain karo. And this will, through this you will be able to write it effectively, guys. Only 11 topics. Science, tech, crime, advertisements, technology, globalization, energy, migration, travel, animals, education, health and sports. More than enough. Just prepare these essays and you'll conquer the world. You will actually get your desired band score and you'll not face any problem. It's my promise to you. So just mark my words, start preparing these keywords and actually these questions. If you face problem in any of the questions, do comment me in the actually do send me the question in the comment section and I'll actually reply it back and I'll try to give you some ideas on that. Thank you so much, guys, or I'll try to cover that in one of my live sessions that are surprise for you all and you'll get to know it soon. So guys, that's all. Thank you so much for attending the session. If you find the session useful, consider subscribing to our channel and do give it a thumbs up. Bye. Take care, everyone. See you soon.